Instagram can label offensive, violent, or questionable posts as sensitive content. So in this video, I'll show you how to enable and disable sensitive content on Instagram. Firstly, let's open up the app and click profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap the three lines on the top, and with the new update, you gotta scroll a bit down till the section What You See. Here, select Content Preferences, and you should see section Sensitive Content. So, we can choose how much sensitive content we would like to see. Less, standard, or more. But if you are under 18 years old, then you will not be able to choose more sensitive content. This option simply will be unavailable for you. Let's choose less. And here you can just read this information about the setting. Tap confirm, and now you will see less of that content. To enable and to view more, just tap more and switch by tapping confirm. So I want to show you how it will approximately look. So this is how it will look. You should see sensitive content and the reason of the sensitive content, and also you can tap on it and view this post. And basically that's it. Subscribe for more useful tips.